Hi, now we are going to learn about the coursework. So coursework is must for all PhD student registered in an institute for your PhD program as per the Government of India guidelines. So this coursework will be helpful to learn subjects like 3 or 4 subjects relevant to a research topic. And some institute they have like only 2 subjects or 3 subjects, and one research methodology topic will be there, and this will be helpful to get some advanced knowledge in your research topic. And these subjects has to be accepted by the doctoral committee members, and the duration depends upon the institute, but as per the Government of India guidance, they mentioned that if you are completing within less than 1 year, that will be much better. And this institute will be many institute will be conducting seminar regarding the research methodology subjects, so in that you can gain some knowledge and how to select some methodology, type of research, how you have to choose. So all these details you can get into that. And in this coursework you should not select the earlier studied subject. So in your UG level or a PG level you may study some subject, so that subject you should not study in the PhD level. Even some institute they create one syllabus. Even for example, some topic may not be having a syllabus from your university or certain things. In that case, the faculty can create a syllabus and propose to the committees, and if they accept it, in that subject code as well as the subject title, you can go through. So which mean somehow the relevant to your topic or your title you have to study like three to 4 subjects. And regarding this, you can connect with your seniors while starting in your PhD work in your institute. What is the rules and regulation regarding this coursework? And this is compulsory and elective. So coursework, this will be helpful to increase your CGPA. So even other UG level, PG level, but when somebody is asking mainly in the what is the CGPA, it will be quite increased because only 3-4 subjects were there, and the literature review, comprehensive viva, and so this will be helpful to increase your CGPA. And other than this, in relevant to research methodology or relevant to a research topic, if there are some MOOC courses in Swayam, NPTEL, or other like Coursera, EDX, you can go through and you can learn the subjects. And one of the famous books many researchers they are using for the research methodology subject by Professor C.R. Kothari and Gaurav Garg by New Age International Publishers. Kindly buy this book and go through it, or even in your library you can find many research methodology books. And as per the Government of India guidelines regarding the coursework, the credit assigned to PhD coursework shall be minimum of 8 credits and maximum of 16 credits. So minimum of 8 credits and maximum of 16 credits. And this is morely for a PhD preparation. You will be learning about the research methodology and 2-3 your core subjects. And this PhD coursework shall be in conformity with the credit hour. Another one thing is this must be accepted by the research advisory committee. Maybe you have a chairman or an external expert, internal expert, your supervisors and your joint supervisors or your co-guide. So there will be an advisory committee for each scholars, so they must accept your coursework. So what subjects you are going to do, you are going to study. And then all PhD candidates shall require to complete the course work prescribed by the department during the initial 1 or 2 semester. So before 1 or 2 semester, which means less than 1-2 semester, you have to complete the course. And even that is much even many supervisors they suggest this, because even in first semester itself you complete your coursework, or in semester you will complete your coursework and your literature review and other work. Then the rest of the days you can do some like productive research in your lab or your other collaborators lab, other areas. And candidates already having a PhD degree or a MPhil degree program, if they already completed the coursework, they can be permitted to proceed to PhD, and I think for them this has been exempted. So PhD program shall be required to complete the PhD coursework. So that's how it has been mentioned. Sometimes, if for a candidate, he has completed his coursework once and completed his PhD program, I think relevant to the topic only, he is going to do a next PhD. So he has been exempted from the coursework again, and other grades and other details were mentioned. And at last, you can see a scholar has to be obtain a minimum of 55% marks or equivalent grade in UGC 7-point scale, where the grading system in the coursework. So scholars, you have to think, even because this may be you may be more careless regarding this percentage and other marks. So in your coursework, you have to spend some time, even in research methodology or some core subjects. Even I have seen many research scholars, they have put some arrears and again they have written and they passed. So such things were there. So you have to be spend more time in this coursework, and in the first attempt itself you have to clear and complete the 3 subjects or your research methodology, as well as the comprehensive viva and the literature review. Thank you.